Looking to take stunning wide shots with your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1? The Panorama mode makes it possible, and it's very easy to use. In this video, I'll show you how to capture panoramas on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. So let's get started. First, turn on the camera. Now look at the bottom left corner. Here you'll see an icon that represents the current shooting mode. If you are in photo mode, it will look like a camera. Or if you are in video mode, then it will look like a video camera icon. So tap on this icon to bring up the shooting mode menu. Here you'll get 6 modes, like panorama, photo, video, low light, slow motion, and time lapse. Now if you want to shoot panorama, then tap on panorama. Once you are in panorama mode, you can customize the type of shots you want to take. Just swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Here you will get 2 different panorama modes. The 2 most common are 180 degrees. By selecting 180 degree, the camera will automatically take 4 photos in a horizontal sweep and stitch them together to create a wide panoramic image. Then another option is 3x3. By selecting this mode, the camera will take 9 photos in a grid to create a larger, more detailed, and higher resolution composite image. Once you have selected your desired panorama type, for example a 3x3, hold the Pocket 3 steady. Then press the shutter button. The camera's gimbal will automatically rotate and capture all the necessary images for the panorama. You don't need to do anything else. After the camera is finished capturing the images, it will automatically bring the stitching process. This may take a few seconds. After the camera has finished stitching the images, you can view the final panoramic photo in the playback menu. To view the photo, swipe right from the left edge of the screen. Find your newly created panorama view. And that's it. This is how you can capture panoramas on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Thanks for watching.